Next up, True Grit for Handshake. Check out maps.techno.co for an always updating interactive map with everything you need to know about Grey Zone Warfare and Arena Breakout Infinite, with missions mapped out in great detail. Now, control-click to make suggestions. Thank you to everyone who's used it thus far. In this, we need to locate an antique revolver, which is a 2x2 item, and bring it back. Super simple. For this quest, we'll need to head up to Hunter's Paradise, and we'll need to bring with us the HP 102 key, which looks like this: Hunter's Paradise Motel Room 102 key. Once we get there, we should be able to pick it up and head back. So let's get up to Hunter's Paradise. It's somewhere around here. Heading into Hunter's Paradise, there was another player here on their way out, so this place is probably mostly empty. Good news for us. We'll head straight up on the motel here, and just inside of here, assuming there's no guards, yeah, seems pretty clean. We can hop in. On this side, we have 104, 101, and on this southern side here, we've got Unknown on the left here, and 102 right here. So it's on the middle rightish side of this building, right here. Opening up the store and heading just inside, we'll have a bunch of stuff lying around and a case with a revolver on the bed here. Grabbing this, we just need to take it back to base. And then once we're back, we can hand in this quest. So handing it over, there you go. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.